Ranjit Square from India in Bihar. Today I am going to show you Fair of India in Bihar of Siwan districts. Let's guys go to see the Fair of India. Guys, you can see this is Indian swing. I am going to show you Fair of India. You can see this. This is swing of India. You can see this is you can see what is this is egg, which is this is Indian fast food. You can see they are selling Indian fast food. You can see how it is being made. You can see this is Pani Puri of India. He is selling. And see, this is how it is made, how it is being made, sweet of India. This is also known as India in a jalebi. People says that this is jalebi in Indian language. You can see how it is being made. This is a little machine. This is a sugar canal. See how it is. You can see. This is a big swing of India. You can see. People. This is a Pani Puri of India. You can see people is it. See how he is making fast food of India. This is chowmein. This is child swing. You can see how is child playing on swing. You can see. This is Pani Puri. Now I am going to show you. You can see child is playing here. And this is ladies instrument is being sold here. This is coconut. This is coconut. Now I am going to show you swing of India. There is a child swing. You can see this is instrument being sold here. They are my friends. You can see this is child swing. How is child swing? You can see this is Indian swing. Oh, they are making. And also child is driving by car. You can see child is driving car, the bike. See, there is a being sold toy of child. This is also Here being sold. Here vegetable is being sold. You can see how is Indian vegetable. This is green vegetable of India. Here is not suffer. This is hand of child. You can see.